Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back. My lovely wife and I are headed to the Philadelphia show. I am doing not a latte, but close to a latte pre-brief. Stand by. Yeah, we're gonna be at our hotel in like 45 minutes, so we're pretty happy. We saw some articles. We were right about the Atlanta show. Yeah, something was up with Mick's vocals, man. If this show or any of these shows are canceled or postponed, we'll have a crushed soul. Right. So is that all the Mick update we need to give? And one thing I forgot to tell you guys so far, out of Houston, Vegas, and Atlanta, you can't count the 400 level, but the Atlanta crowd was definitely more into it than the other two. I mean, like, people were standing having a fun, couple people puking. It was great. It was the Stones, baby. Yeah, so we are going to be meeting a couple of family members and 4 friends at the show, so we'll pregame with them before we go in and then have some fun. We'll check in.